To present your case effectively in court under California law, you should first gather and document all relevant evidence. This includes keeping copies of your complaint, any correspondence, and notes about your interactions with the police, especially the officer you filed the complaint against. Make sure to obtain any records or documentation that show the timing of your complaint and the subsequent arrest. During your court proceedings, emphasize the timeline of events to demonstrate the potential retaliation. Point out that the warrant had been outstanding for 5 years without action, and that your arrest occurred only after you filed the complaint. Highlight that the first officer you encountered at the station was the one you had complained about, suggesting a possible connection. Seek legal representation to help present your case. A lawyer can assist in articulating your argument effectively and ensuring your rights are protected. They can also help file motions or requests for evidence that may support your claim of retaliation. Stay organized and remain calm throughout the process, focusing on the facts and evidence to support your case. For initial consultation, feel free to email us at lawyerattorneylosangeles@gmail.com. Disclaimer: this answer is intended for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice nor forming the attorney-client relationship. I'm so sorry you're going through this. In California, determining whether a death qualifies as negligent homicide involves evaluating whether someone acted in a way that was reckless or careless, leading to another person's death. For your son's case, it would need to be proven that someone else's actions directly contributed to his decision to take his own life. This can be very complex and often requires thorough investigation. The behavior you described about Dave's actions towards your children is deeply troubling and could potentially be considered child abuse. Under California law, child abuse is a serious crime, and if there is evidence that Dave's actions led to significant harm or contributed to your son's mental state, it might be relevant in a legal case. You should document everything you remember and gather any evidence you can, such as witness statements or physical evidence of the abuse. Given the complexity and sensitivity of these issues, it would be best to consult with a legal professional who can provide specific advice based on the details of your situation. They can help you understand your options and guide you through the legal process to seek justice for your son. For initial consultation, feel free to email us at lawyerattorneylosangeles@gmail.com. Disclaimer: this answer is intended for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice nor forming the attorney-client relationship.